Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you know someone who loves spending time in the garden? Whether they enjoy growing flowers, vegetables, herbs, or simply relaxing among nature, today's video is packed with amazing gift ideas they'll truly appreciate. Let's get started. Number 1. Gardening Tool Set. A complete set of quality tools is always useful. Number 2. Personalized Garden Sign. A charming decoration for any garden space. Number 3. Decorative Plant Pots. Beautiful pots can instantly enhance a garden. Number 4. Indoor Herb Garden Kit. Perfect for growing fresh herbs at home. Number 5. Garden Kneeling Pad. Provides comfort during long gardening sessions. Number 6. Watering Can. A stylish and practical gardening essential. Number 7. Seed Collection Box. A variety of flower, herb, or vegetable seeds. Number 8. Gardening Gloves. Protective and comfortable for everyday use. Number 9. Bird Feeder. Attracts beautiful birds to the garden. Number 10. Raised Garden Bed Kit. Ideal for growing vegetables and herbs. Number 11. Solar Garden Lights. Add beauty and warmth to outdoor spaces. Number 12. Plant Stand. Perfect for displaying favorite plants. Number 13. Compost Bin. A practical gift for eco-friendly gardeners. Number 14. Garden Apron. Keeps tools and supplies within easy reach. Number 15. Outdoor Garden Bench. A relaxing place to enjoy the garden. Number 16. Plant Mister Spray Bottle. Great for caring for delicate plants. Number 17. Gardening Book. Filled with tips, ideas, and inspiration. Number 18. Hanging Planter Set. Perfect for flowers, herbs, and decorative plants. Number 19. Smart Plant Monitor. Tracks moisture, sunlight, and plant health. And finally, number 20. Greenhouse Kit. A dream gift for serious garden enthusiasts who want to grow plants year-round. The best gifts for garden lovers help them enjoy nature, grow beautiful plants, and make their outdoor spaces even more enjoyable. Whether you're shopping for a birthday, anniversary, holiday, or special occasion, these gardening gifts are thoughtful, practical, and sure to bring a smile. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gift ideas and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.